Nick Root with us right now. Of course, he would like to be out there. We're getting his car ready right now for maybe the 200 or at least the LCQ, but he had a tough night during his qualifying heat race. I saw the crash on the video. First of all, are you okay?
Yeah, a little sore in the knee after I hit my steering box, but all is well.
Okay. What exactly happened out there?
Yeah, I got into someone off of 4 going, you know, I started 12th and I was up to 7th into a transfer spot, and going by someone off of 4, he kind of put me in the wall. When I went into 1, I think my tire was flat and I kind of hit the wall a little, and then I went into 3 and I went to turn, and when I let off, the car locked up to the left and I spun out, and someone came at me wide open and hit me, and then I backed it into the wall in turn 3 and hit it and flipped sideways into the wall and destroyed it. So
Looked like a pretty hard hit.
yeah, it definitely was hard. You know, you're not going slow down the backstretch here by any means, but
What happened? You bang your knee?
I just banged it off the steering box a little. You know,
Okay.
that happens every time.
Okay. Oh, are we done then?
Still up in the air. I think I'm done with the big block for this year. If anything, you know, maybe 358 at Middletown, or if we put the motor in the other car. We haven't really decided. We'll assess when we get back home tomorrow and get the car apart and figure out what we're going to do.
Okay. Said the rear clip for sure, though.
Yeah,
It definitely got that.
Yep.
Okay. And that's something we do, or do we take that somewhere and have somebody else do it?
We've done rear clips in the past, but we're going to send it to Big Null to put on their jig just to make sure everything lines up straight.
Makes sense.
You know, just to make sure it's fine. The car doesn't have many races on it. It was previously a car that had our Morrison in it, and unfortunately that blew up at the beginning of the year. So it hasn't been ran until Utica 2 weeks ago, and then we brought it here, and it was really good, you know, passing a lot of cars in the heat race from 12th, and you know, just sometimes you don't get as lucky as you want, but it's racing.
All right. Well, I'm glad you're okay. The
Yep.
car's going to be fixed. And overall, though, 2 wins in your rookie season. I
Yeah.
think did it exceed expectations to some
definitely.
degree?
Yeah, I never thought, especially at Brewers, that's one of the toughest tracks to win at. Canandaigua, you know, we had some good runs there. We blew a tire at the Gerald Harris running 3rd. You know, we had a pretty good car there. I can't thank my father enough. Ross helps us with all our tires. My grandfather, mother, Dylan, Ryan, you know, my uncle, all his crew, everyone that helps us out on the car in the shop. Throttle Curbing, SJP Plus, Mohawk Northeast, Swift Springs, Kaiser Wheels, 4-Star, Senior Services, Insurance, JP's Custom and Cycle, Big Null Race Products VP, Roots Tire and Auto, you know, everyone that helps us. It's been a big part of my year and helping us out. You know, being a rookie in my big block year, it was definitely tough trying to move up, but you know, I can't thank everyone enough for all their support.
Well, there's another year to come and maybe one more race. Good luck with everything and nice job this
Thank
year.
you.